What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Good morning, and welcome to a new video on Filecoin. I want us to do a bit of an update. I know historically quite a lot of you are interested in this, and I tweeted and I was looking at Filecoin for the last couple of days since Wednesday or something. Because I mean, in general, this, if you look at the daily time frame, this structure is quite interesting, right? I mean, Filecoin historically, if the markets are relatively bullish, which they still are, but they were more bullish yesterday, of course. But historically, Filecoin has always had some massive rallies, right? You can see back in October, but also into January, and then again February, March, right? So every time the markets get relatively bullish, Filecoin rallies as well. So then we are consolidating like this. At some point of time, you're going to get a breakout. Now, what we're seeing so far in the last 24 hours, I'm not sure if that qualifies as a breakout, but I do want to talk about it, all right? Because this is movement. And we've seen movement before with Filecoin, where you have, probably some bigger traders buying up Filecoin and then dumping it back down. That's basically what this consolidation has been about. But then what we saw in the last 24 hours, which was disrupted a bit by the dump we had, is that a lot of Filecoin was bought up. Like yesterday morning, a total of over $40 million in positions was opened on Filecoin. A lot of those also long positions, not only long positions though, also some shorts. And then again, from the top to the bottom here, more than $40 million in positions were closed. So in general, I would say stay away from this. All right, it's very, very volatile. I still think we can get some sort of a breakout at some point of time, but it's for now. Look, the main level we need to break is this level right here. Right, so this is the main resistance level at 6.7. There you have the 382 fib, and you can also see if you since the drop we had the 12th of April, that's the resistance level that has never been broken, right? There's another key resistance level here at 6.4, which we also 6.4, 6.5. That has been the main resistance level for the last 2 months, or for the last 1.5 months. But I think ultimately, technically, 6.7 is the level to break. So if you really want to long Filecoin, I would say wait for that level to break, because everything in between is just going to be a consolidation. So far, I'm not convinced that we are out of this consolidation yet. I think the sheer presence of moves like these, right? So that these moves occur is bullish, because movement like this, volume like this, attracts people to look at Filecoin, and we might see this. We might find some narratives forming around it, etc. So that's not bad. But with the I do think right now, if you look at the positions that are opened and closed, the spot CVD is very negative, so spot holders are not really seeing any value in the movement yet, and then you have these big positions being opened and closed. I don't really like to play around with that, right? So short term, I also think it's difficult to predict because of that. But short term, I think it's more likely in these market circumstances to see a further consolidation. And maybe a drop back down under $6 into the bottoms of the consolidation, and then at some point of time, depending on if the market stays strong / bullish or not, we'll break above 6.7, and then we will really rally. All right, so that's, I think, the main thing you need to wait for. Everything in between is, first of all, very unpredictable, and second of all, just noise. I think. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Be careful trading this, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.